Hello everybody out there in social media land. It's your personal injury attorney, Derek Bernstein, and I am here leaving the Clearwater Courthouse in downtown Clearwater, beautiful Clearwater Beach right there. And I'm here to tell you that the term full coverage is bullshit, right? So you hear people say, oh, I got full coverage. I ask them, what's your coverage? Oh, I got full coverage. The person who sold to me got me full coverage. So I'm here to tell you that that is a nonsense word, right? Usually when people are talking about full coverage, what they're really talking about is comp and collision, right? Fixing people's bumpers, fixing your bumper, that's comp and collision. What you need to have, quote, full coverage is UM insurance. UM, uninsured motorist coverage, underinsured motorist coverage. What it means, though, is that when you get into a car accident and the person who hits you is not going to be, that person just ran a red light, see? Just got to pay attention, folks. When they hit you with their car, it means that they don't have insurance and that you need to protect yourself. So UM insurance means that you have a certain dollar amount. I recommend $100,000, $300,000 stacked coverage. And that will ensure that if you're hit by some bozo who doesn't have any insurance, that you will have up to $300,000 worth of insurance for you and your family there. That means that if you need to have a surgery, you can get a surgery. If you need chiropractic care, physical therapy, all those things, you will be covered. So don't believe the hype when somebody is selling you full coverage, right? It doesn't mean anything. Ask them if it has UM insurance attached to it. Ask what the bodily injury limits are. And if you have no idea really still what I'm talking about, hit me up, Derek@lawbernstein.com, 727-209-7957. It's all right there, right on the side of my car. And I'll take care of you, make sure you have true full coverage. So if you're hit with somebody without insurance, you can get taken care of. You guys have a good one. Keep them coming. Follow me on the Instagram, Facebook. I'm on LinkedIn. I'm on TikTok, right? So find me anywhere. Send me a message. I'll take care of you. Bye.